Welcome back. Today is Saturday and I am going to be working on a Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Going to pull all the carpet out and rhino line the interior. So I'll just give you a quick view of it with the carpet in, and then afterwards. So carpet here, I'm going to pull all this out, pull all the seats, front seats, and all the plastic trim, and then we're going to mask off everything and rhino line it. Let me get the back here. I started already because I forgot to grab my camera. And pull all this out, scuff it, clean it, and rhino line all this, and then put all the plastic back. And that's the Raptor liner there. So let's get started, because I'm pretty sure it's most likely gonna rain again. So I'm gonna try to knock this out as soon as possible. So I got the Jeep gutted out within an hour, and I never worked on one of these before. So the next step is to vacuum it all out, get it cleaned really good, and then scuff it with like a green scuff pad. I know one probably comes, a red one may come in the Raptor liner box, but I haven't opened it yet. I'm pretty sure it probably is, but I got backup just in case. We're going to scuff it and then degrease it with acetone or something like that, and mask everything off, because a lot of things like the center console, the plastic, I'm not going to take that out. Dashboard, of course, I'm not going to take that out, but I want to tape it off so I won't get any Raptor liner on it. And then just basically tape around the lower door frames so it won't come out on the doors. And the wiring, I have some bungee cords somewhere around here. I'm gonna pull those up so they can hang and just spray under them. And then once it's sprayed down and done, then I'll lay all the wiring back down. I'm not gonna put none of the carpet back. I will put the rear consoles back, and the floor tech floor mats down. I'm gonna put those back. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Let's get started on vacuuming everything out. So I got it all cleaned out, The next step is to scuff it. I'm not going to remove the sound deadener. All the videos that I saw on there, they kept the sound deadener in there and just sprayed over it. So I think that's what I'm going to do too. I'm going to go ahead and remove that seat belt. Alrighty, so I got the second part cleaned out, cleaned it again. I did still have a little water in a few spots. Got that cleaned out, dried out, and cleaned it again, blew it out, and cleaned it one more time. So this is the big moment. We're gonna start taping off everything, getting everything all taped off, and masked off, and then we almost at that point of spraying. Alrighty, I just basically just gave you a quick showing how I'm gonna tape it off and then razor blade the edge so I can have sharp edges. Now we have a lot of screw holes for these are for the tie downs in the back, and then we got for the seats themselves and some of the seat belts. You don't want to get any Raptor lining in there. Once you get it in there, that's it. You won't be able to use that hole again. I mean, you could probably chase it out with a tap and all that, but it's just extra work. So quick easy way is just get your piece of foil, ball it up to a little, almost like a little plug there, and then just push it down in a hole, almost screwing it down in there, and then leave a little piece sticking up. So after you rhino line it, you can just grab it and pop it out. I started taking the masking tape off and everything. Totally forgot about the camera. So sorry about that. Let me show you guys what I have so far. Alright. Alrighty, I think you might not be able to see that, but I got some of it taped off. It's all pretty much done. I just got to get all the paper and all that stuff off. See if you can see that there. Didn't get any on the console, just a tiny bit, but I just cleaned it off with some acetone and stuff. And I pulled off some of the paper here. I'm about to pull all the rest of it off. Show you the other side here. You can see it a little bit better on this side because of the sun. Alrighty guys, I got it all finished. I'm gonna show you. It's kind of dark, so I'm hoping you guys can actually see it. Let me see if I turn the light on here a little bit. But this is the back. That's the back. It's all together and in. Seats. I went on ahead and cleaned and conditioned the leather for so it's nice and clean, because the floor is so nice and clean. So I want it to be 100% clean in here, really nice, and it smells like a new car again, instead of smell like a little like water damage or something. Reason being because of I think it's maybe a front seal on the windshield or something, or the top is leaking, and she was getting a lot of water in the front area here, a lot. I mean, like, you pull the plugs out and it'll actually drain out. That's how much water it is. But other than that, it came out pretty good. So that's it. If you guys have any questions or anything, please hit me up. Also, if you got a comment, please comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much. Later.